In this video, I'll show you how to create an assembly drawing once we have our assembly model complete. So make sure you save this and always make sure that you save your parts, your part models, and your assembly model in the same folder. Okay, go to Application, Drafting. Use a A3 paper. We're going to use View Creation Wizard. Now, because it is an assembly, typically we use one good isometric view. So first of all, make sure you have the right part chosen. Okay, next, leave the hidden lines invisible now. We're looking for a good view. It's not going to be an ortho view. We want to see all the parts. Next, now if you've been doing a lot of detail drawings, you're going to have all the views turned on. Turn those off except for that main ISO and finish that. If you want to change the scale, double click it, go to general, change the scale. I think we're fine with what we've got. We do need a parts list and balloons on this. Let's see, get rid of those. All right, so go to parts list up here, parts list. And obviously you can come in here and edit this, but it's pretty smart. It knows what you have placed on the screen. And now balloons. Now, unfortunately, with the student version, they've stripped it down and you do not have the auto balloon function. Auto balloon on the NX is very, very simple. It's very quick and easy, a lot like with SolidWorks. Here it's, because we're manually going to do it, it's kind of clunky, and I'm not great at it because it is kind of clunky and there's a lot of steps. If you mess up, just undo it or erase it. Let's see, first of all, we're going to start with part number 1. So you have to click on that A and put a 1 in there, right down there where it says text. Now you have to click on this. If you forget to do that, it's just going to put a balloon without a leader on it. So select terminating object. We'll start with part 1, and I'd prefer you not click on the edge, click on the body of the part. It's so much easier to see where the balloon is attached. And that'll give us part number 1. So then you have to go down here, click on the A, put a 2 in there, and part 2 is the cap. So oops, don't forget, select terminating object. Part number 2, click on the A, part number 3, select terminating object, excuse me, and that's going to be the bolt. Part number 4, select terminating object, and part number 4 is that pin. And then part number 5, select terminating object. Part number 5 is this washer, which doesn't want to, that's okay. I'm going to just take that. It's hard to get these little parts like this. It wants to attach itself to that center line, and you can screw around with it all day long, but that's good enough for right now. Let's see. So I've got everything ballooned, and I've got my parts list. Just make sure you fill out the title block, and there is your assembly drawing.